Yo, what's up guys? My name is Cairo SA and today I'm going to be breaking down another sample, and this one is a trap sample. So for this sample I started with a pad from CS80V from Arturia, and the name of the preset is Warm Pad and it sounds like this. So for the second part of this pad, I reversed it, and after that I added a pad also from Cradle the Prince. The name of the preset is called Accessible Taste, and this is how it sounds like. And after that I added flutes to add accent to the sample, and the flutes are from Nexus as well as Expand, and this is how they sound like. I also added bells, and this is how the bells sound like. So these bells are also from Expand, and they have a lot of sounds involved in them. The sounds are vibraphone, a Mark 1 selector which is an electric piano, as well as a bass which is double bass times 2, as well as a loop for pads. So that's why it sounds like at some points there's bass added to the bells. I then added an actual bass from a stock plugin in FL Studio called Soa, and the name of the bass is FG1982. It's FG1982, and this is how the sound sounds like. So that's the sounds, and for the effects, on the Cradle of the Prince I added an EQ, and on the Warm Pad I also took away the low end with the built-in EQ, and for the bells I added Valhalla plates, and for the flutes I added Valhalla vintage verb as well as fruity delay, and I also added a fruity soft clipper on the master channel to stop it from going above 0 dBs. I then added a drum loop from Cymatics. Shout out to Cymatics. They are a real big company that helps a lot of producers. So the texture is from Cymatics. I won't play it now because I will leave it as a surprise for when I play the whole final sample. So yeah. So this is the final sample, and it sounds like this.